MLA ke Kongres usaleng sangmal ong pakadon bun ke Khaïi Beaiñ ha upot usam jengkeri India wat Bangladesh tal ke Sorkar kamshim lala ban Tehlakam wat ye kijaka kibarit halor kene ke kam Khaïi Beaiñ Kumno ke Sorkar kan la ban pengor ye Kawei pat ki Jingjia kibala ja ha ke jela Baroh Kawei haba phai sakaseng HNLC kabala pit phai biang syakikam kibala jule kene Baroh kadena kadaw pakim sngau hon ye ki jingkren bat kene la ru banjia keju ya keseng GNLA naba kila don kikam badangsa wat kijing ya kren esuk bat keseng ANVC.
No, right now I can speak on that because, you see, lots of smuggling is going through through Garo Hills right now, even through Khasi Hills also. We have seen that day viraling this sugar, even the ginger, even the Arakan nuts and all the battle nuts. So that is going to Bangladesh. Its smuggling is going on. So if they cannot stop this smuggling and in the border itself, which is only a few adjoining area with the Bangladesh and Meghalaya. So if they cannot check these areas, how do you suppose to make sure that they will be able to check the whole incident that is happening in the whole Meghalaya?
Well, since there was this release about this GNLA regrouping, how do you see overall law and order situation in Garo Hills?
That's what I was. That's why I was telling you actually. Now, if they cannot check, simple thing. In 1-2 area, this smuggling is happening with a huge truck. That's going to the border, and then they, with a huge numbers of sacks of sugar is going outside the Bangladesh. Even it was protected. If they cannot check the smuggling, then how do you supposed to think that they can check the small minute things that is happening within our own state?
No, is it that the GNLA has some grievances which were not addressed by the government, the package and all?
No, it's the duty of the government. You see, last time, even the GNLA, the HNLC went back because they were not satisfied with the talks. So maybe this might be happening with the GNLA also. And then, moreover, yesterday or day before yesterday, I think one of the senior members, Dr. Mukul himself, has said that there are certain pending issues that needed to be settled with the NBC. Some kind of agreement was there. So that way, they might have been thinking about the certain issues which they are not satisfied. You never know. I cannot speak on behalf of them or anybody. I can speak for the people only.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.